SS Interior and Engineering Works, dream your home into reality. We do all fabrication works and engineering, developers construction projects like stainless steel railing, balcony glass railing, glass elevation, windows grille, UPVC windows, aluminium main gates, wallpaper, pop falseling balcony, box grille, stainless steel railing, windows grille, stainless steel glass railing, stainless steel letters, GI-AKI ducting, glading elevation, glass elevation, SS Interior and Engineering Works, SS Aluminium and UPVC, Windows, SS Interior Design, Works, SS Construction and Developers. Our office address is at Attapur, Pillar number 108, opposite Mughal, Naga Ring Road, Hyderabad, Telangana. Customers can contact at 8978700917. Follow us on all social media platforms for updates and promotions.